What's going on, guys? Matt over at EZ Dent, and today I wanted to show off and introduce you guys to our brand new location here in Duluth on Satellite Blvd. We've been in the paintless dent repair industry for about 15 years now, and what we found was that so many customers would come in and have us fix and repair damage on their vehicles, but then they were interested in getting it protected and getting it and making sure that damage didn't happen, or trying to keep that from happening again. So we've introduced some new services. We introduced a new location, not only to serve Gwinnett County, but also to do a few things to help protect your car. So we'll give you guys a tour and show off the new facility. So come on. So here's our waiting room. A lot of our customers will want to drop their vehicle off and leave it with us for the repairs, but some will sit and wait. For window tint or even for dent repair, sometimes that can be done in less than an hour. So customers will sit. We've got plenty of room, free Wi-Fi, sodas, coffee, all provided for you. So if you have any jobs that you want to schedule in, feel free to come in and even just drop by. We may be able to squeeze you in right then. Our manager's office is going to be right here, and that's where Preston does most of our estimating and all of our scheduling for the repairs. And he'll greet you when you come in and take good care of you. If you call in, that's who you'll be getting in touch with. And then over here, we've got our conference room. This is where we do most of our training. Our facility, because we're kind of unique, hosts a lot of training within the industry. So anyone who's learning about paintless dent repair or getting into this industry may come through and do some training. We use our conference room for that. Let's go see where the magic happens in the shop. Back in the shop, we've got several different departments. This is going to be our window film install in our PPF area. For window film and for PPF, it's really important to have really great lighting. So this is why we've got this. It's also important that it's a filtered and clean area. This is the furthest away from any entrance doors and exit doors. It keeps your cars looking really clean so that when we apply this film or apply the PPF, it's just gonna lay down perfectly. It also goes towards PPF. It's a protectant. It's gonna keep your car last longer. It's gonna keep it from getting scratches and dents and nicks on it. And it's also self-healing. So if you have any questions about that, come by and we'll show you that process. So one of the great benefits of a space this size is our ability to take on more complex or just different jobs. This boat, for example, came in and we're going to do a full ceramic coating on it. You can even do window tinting on watercraft. We get motorcycle tanks that come in. Yesterday I was working on an airplane wing that they brought a part of it in, and we fixed a little dent on it. So we could really do more complex, more unique jobs with a shop this size. We've also got the ability to do plenty of paintless dent repair work. With customers that come in, they get dents on their cars, they get hail damage, they get tree branches that fall on their cars. And this allows us to have a full area where we can do all of our paintless dent repair. This is our signature service that put us on the map. This is a service that allows customers to not have paint, not have Bondo on their cars. So this Tacoma's a perfect example. Taylor's fixing some dents on the door, and then while it's here, we're actually going to offer to replace the windshield. To replace the window tint. They weren't happy with the previous window tint that someone else had put on, so we're going to be putting that on for them. And then if they ever wanted to come back, we could put some PPF or even some ceramic coating on a truck like this. It would look really, really good. But this allows our dent guys and our PDR guys to take care of this. Even if we had a hailstorm and we were fixing 10 or 15 cars at once, we'd have plenty of space to do that. So we really are excited about the space and using all the space that we have and really seeing all the repairs that we can do. So back in the back of our shop, this is where we're going to do all of our decontamination of cars, as well as our paint correction and general washes. So a customer may come in for some ceramic coating, and the first process to that is to make sure that there's no contaminants in the paint. We remove any water spotting or iron in the paint, as well as any just scratches. We're gonna do buffs and polishing, essentially, and it really makes the car just shine and look amazing. And then we'll take the car back up front and we'll do our ceramic coating. That way it's in a clean area. Back here by the door, we love our huge door. We can fit a bunch of big, huge trucks in, but this is also where wind is. So we wanna do anything that's gonna be ceramic coating or film as far away from this door as possible. And that's one of the great things about this space. It just allows us to have kind of the where it's a little bit water and dirtier department, as well as the really clean department up front. And so we're super excited about what we can do with this amount of space. So thanks for coming by and visiting our newest location. If you want to come by in person and get an estimate or just see the place in person, it's 3492 here on Satellite Blvd in Gwinnett County. It's a great city of Duluth. We are excited about being here. We're excited about the services we can offer. We think it complements really well with all the things we've been doing, and we're proud of the reputation we've earned and excited to be servicing new clients with some new services. So if you have any questions, feel free to swing by or give us a call. Thanks for watching.